Hey everyone, today we are going to create an awesome liquid motion graphics in After Effects. If you want to learn, so you're in right place, just follow me. First, we're going to make a new composition and change the name it to the liquid. After that, new solid color and change the color according to the color palette that I have added here. And also I will share the link of the color palette in the description and you guys can download and use those colors. We're going to add a shape and the shape should be bigger than the text size, and change the color according to the color palette. Go to track matte and change it to the liquid layer. Duplicate the text layer and add a stroke for the second text layer. Change the color to the white and change the size to the 4. Go to effect panel and we are going to add turbulent displacement to the shape layer. Change the amount to 100 and hold the alt and press on the evolution and write this expression. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new After Effects tutorial. Go to effect panel and we're going to add roughen edges to the shape layer. And we're going to change the position to the bottom of the liquid. And change it like this and play with the keyframes as example in the video. Duplicate the shape layer and move it a bit forward. Change the color according to the color palette and change the last keyframe, because if you don't change guys it will be overlap and the colors are not visible. Duplicate again and press U, change the color and move a bit forward. Change the last keyframe. Move it a bit forward. Duplicate again, move a little forward and change the color. The last time we were going to use white color. Change the last keyframe again. Select all keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Select all and press U. After that we're going to add another shape. First change the color and this shape should be a bit bigger for bottom of the project. Add turbulent displacement, and we're going to add roughen edges too. Go to the timeline and find the right time. First move it down, put a keyframe here, and follow me and do the changes.